This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to train you on how to make your headband for this Christmas time. You need your Alice band. You can use big one, you can use small one. You need your cloth. You can use satin, you can use organza, you can use your Ankara to make it. And you need something to design it. I'm going to use these buttons, to design it. You need your needle and thread. You need scissors to cut and tape rule to measure your cloth. And I'm going to use wax candle gum to gum it. I've cut my cloth to the size that I want. The length of it is 7, while the breadth of it is 6.5. So you take your needle and thread. This is my needle and thread. Fold your cloth into the one you have cut into triangular shape, like this. Fold it like this. Then fold it again to two like this. You can see. Then take your needle and thread and hem it down. Then draw the thread, then it will form something like this for you. Draw it together, then secure it by that's it. Secure it very well. Trim this edge out. And tack it again. That's it. It's my Alice band. You can wrap your Alice band with ribbon or the satin cloth, but I'm not going to wrap this one. Now you have to arrange it on top of the Alice band with your wax candle. Just put your wax candle, then gum it. And take another one. Put another one on top of it. Put your wax candle here. Place this one on it. Gum it. Then place another one. Place another one. can see it. I've fixed it round. I cut 11 pieces of cloth. That is what I use to gum the head. It depends on your own. You can cut it big, you can cut it small. Now let's design it. Wax candle on it, or you can tack it if you can do that, but it's better you use the wax candle. Place it on it like this to stand. You can combine red, black, depends on what you want. I'm going to put red and black. You can see it. It's very simple to make for Christmas. It will not cost you a lot of money. You can use another thing to design it instead of button. You can use your trim to place on it instead of button. Please like, share, and subscribe. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Thank you.